We'll be using two lovely colors of embroidery floss, a light gray for the base chain stitch and a pretty pink for the hearts. It's really unique and easy to stitch, so let's get started. First, we're going to create the foundation for our hearts with a simple looped chain stitch. Keep those loops consistent in size. Try to keep your chain stitches evenly spaced. This will make it easier to form neat little hearts later on. Now for the fun part, making the hearts. I'm switching to my pink floss and starting again from the right. I'm going to weave my needle under the chain stitches, creating a small heart shape. See how I'm gently curving the pink thread as I go through the chains? That's what forms the heart. Do this over every loop of the chain stitch, creating a row of adorable little hearts. Don't pull the pink thread too tight as you weave the hearts. You want them to have a nice rounded shape. Using two strands of the pink floss, just make two small stitches to secure each heart in place. This border would look absolutely adorable on the hem of a baby dress, the cuffs of a t-shirt, along the edge of a tote bag, or even as a sweet detail on a handmade card. You could also use it to embellish the edge of a pillowcase or a little girl's skirt. You can definitely play around with different color combinations for the chain stitch and the hearts. Maybe a dark chain with bright red hearts, or a tonal look with different shades of the same color. You could also try using a thicker floss for a more pronounced heart. And if you want a slightly different look, try making the hearts a bit more elongated or spaced further apart.